Showing you all the YouTube channels that I admire. So I admire Dan TDM, capital DAN TDM. That stands for Dan. Dan, his name is Dan the Diamond Minecart. Yeah, and also admire Little Kelly, LITTLEKELLY, and yeah, KELLY. Yeah, and also my LITTLECARLY. All the information should show up on your screen. So, also admire Stampy. He's like a little orange cat. If you see him, STAMPY. Yeah, guys. So that's all the information that I know. Also, Popular Mouse. POPOULARMOSS. Okay, guys? I'm going to show the information. So just in case you didn't get it, I'm going to show the information all on your screen.